Hello, greetings, and welcome on yet another Devs and Hodlers meeting. My name is Mikołaj. With me, as always, actually, community manager Mr. Orwash and Bartek Citrał, so called. Welcome, guys.
Hello, guys.
Hi, everyone.
And
nice
welcome.
to be here like every week.
Yes, we are here every week for over a year already. This is number 70, I think, 3. So we are going road to 100, yes. And yeah, as always, we recommend you to go to our Big Short Bets page, where you can find all the links and information about not only the things about the platform, but also the things about the news from the platform. You can find all the social medias and white paper over here. You can read the white paper, obviously, big red button. You can claim your Big Short Bets tokens. You can buy it. You can read more about it. You can go and see what's going on.
Okay, so we can just stop here for a second. I just want to have a quick ad.
Yes,
it's important that you mention the white paper and the claim BigSB, because you should, if you try to learn about this project, the white paper is the best place to best document to read about what Big Short Bets is and what we plan to do with our project. This is the one thing. And the second thing, it is also important to mention that if you haven't claimed your BigSB yet, you have to do this till the end of August, because you, like we mentioned, we started off on the, I don't think, on 5th of October, and October, yes. So we started with the 5th of October, so it's exactly 1 year to claim your tokens, and this 1 year closes this time on the 5th of October. So it's really important that you do this till the end of August to be safe and secure with your biggest B tokens. So if you haven't done it yet, right now the Ethereum gas prices are really low. There's really low congestion on the Ethereum network. So if you want to claim your biggest B tokens, this is the best time to do it before everything goes up again, and we're gonna have some really huge fees on the transaction. So if you haven't done it yet, do this even right now. Just click claim BigSB, connect your wallet, and if you have any BigSB to collect, do it straight away, and better be safe than sorry. We still haven't think of what we actually gonna do with unsold tokens. It's gonna be a huge problem for us. So if you haven't done it yet, do it.
Do it. Exactly.
Do it.
This is the way to go.
So airdrop will be possible?
Yeah,
I'm not sure right now. I'm not sure right now, but yeah, but it is important. Maybe, we haven't decided. Maybe we'll put it into liquidity. So if you really like your tokens, then you should claim it. It was part of the deal that you accepted, that this claiming contract will be open through 1 year. You have 1 year to open this. So yeah, so do it.
Exactly that. So do it, go ahead, and yeah, other than that, on the website you can read the white paper, obviously, and you can check out the active accounts. As of today is 6,427 active accounts, going steady. We know this is the cucumber season, so this but even though it's cucumber season, this is also the season of various news, and you can read more of the news on the Twitter pages, but also on the platform. First of all, we're gonna hop on to the Twitter page, because we're gonna show you a new login page of the platform after that. So first of all, as always, go to bigshortbets.com and the Big Short Bets Twitter page. There are 3 pages we recommend you to go, obviously, and as always, the news, the family, and the main one. And as of today, as of this week, we on Monday, we asked you the sentiment check for Monday. How much is
Everybody here playing or something like this?
or are you
Only me.
shorting? are you shorting or are you longing? Most of you guys are playing shorts. This time we see some screenshots, and obviously the entire community is here as well. A big shout out to Big SB Hodler doing memes for us. I really liked this one about the mainstream media comparing to the Big Short Bets. I love memes. We love memes. So yeah, this one is very nice. Any comment from you guys about
Yeah,
this one?
so if you make a really good one, you can have a chance of retweeting it by the Big Short Bets. So make a good meme, tag Big Short Bets main profile on Twitter. If the meme is good, we're gonna
share it. Yes.
sharing his for. Yeah, we're
What
gonna
with
pass
information,
it forward.
like if somebody have a good information about product and share on Twitter and like tag Big Short Bets, you retweet this too.
Yeah, sure. If it's gonna be good information, of course, we're all about the information.
Yeah.
It is about the
First of all, put this on the platform.
And it's not only the platform of the information, it's also the platform of trading. It's not about alarms or whatever. It's about gathering information and using them for your opportunity. And some news from this week. It was even though it's summertime, it's hot. It was also hot because we had a crisis going on in Kosovo and Serbia. But gladly, U.S. diplomacy went in and sorted this out. So there was a thing happening that Kosovo made a new law regarding that if you want to enter the Kosovo, you need to have your license plates made from Kosovo and not made from the government of Serbia. They postponed it for a month now, but NATO went in. On the pictures there were Italian Carabinieri. It was hot going on there. Nothing that really changed the markets globally, but there is one thing this week that did change the markets, and this is someone you might know because this is our favorite not hodler, this is our favorite, how to put it,
Informator.
a celebrity persona, which is also a very good meme content, and it's Nancy Pelosi. Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan, doing a lot of buzz around it because the platform called Flight Radar 24 was so under pressure because so many people gathered to watch the Nancy Pelosi's plane. It went almost down. I mean, not the plane, but the website. Yeah, it was watched by so many people. The visit.
Yeah,
was...
it was a huge buzz. There was huge. Many people are shouting because I don't know if you can confirm it, Miko, but actually the China government said that that if the Nancy Pelosi plane lands on Taiwan, it actually affects the territorial integrity of China, and then say that they're gonna shoot the plane or done something with it, or it's gonna be a huge diplomatic downforce for the USA-China relations. But it just been, I think, empty words. She done it what she should long time ago.
She done what she wanted to do, obviously. But there were a few things that happened after the visit, and obviously the China actually shot some missiles around Taiwan into the sea. The Taiwan's, as you can see, this is the Patriot battery going up and being ready. And yeah, but other than that, if you go to some of the journalists from Taiwan, we also got some journalists and hodlers on the platform living in Taiwan and both China. So this is nothing political, but we are just sharing the news because this is affecting your wallet as well. Because the Taiwan and China relations as of sales and any other kind of trades relations is a concern of the global concern, because they are a big trading allies aside of the United States as well. And there were a lot of stuff going on about it. too. So yeah, if you want to be up to date, you should hop to the platform, and this is what we're gonna do right now. And if you go and see the platform, this is what you're gonna see. This is the new login page. So what you can tell us about it,
Okay.
Citro?
Yeah, okay. So I can share my screen, or we're gonna go from your screen as you
You
prefer.
I
can
think
do
it's
it.
better, Bartek, if you share your screen.
Sure.
Okay, okay.
Go ahead.
Let's go. Why Discord can see my application, my Tor application? They've fixed something, or what happened? Okay,
Give us
let
a
me open.
moment. But as
Uh,
you can see, guys, while Citral is doing, this is the amazing new login page with the colors of the Big Short Bets platform. You see the logo on the upper left corner of it, and obviously the MetaMask, because this is the login page for the Tor application. And this is how it looks like. And we're gonna go now to see Citral's screen over there, and I'm gonna switch some screens here, and we're gonna show you how it looks like. Give me a second to fix it, but you already see a little bit of Citral's screen. I'm just gonna need a little moment here, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna
I
show
think
you.
Tor for next few days was under pressure too, because if I want to test something like this, it was extremely like not too fast as usually. Maybe I can say like this. Okay, as you can see, and as we mentioned in the few next devs and holders meetings, we want to inform you what happened in the time when you log into our platform. So we added that information to our new login page. Like you can see, each steps inform you what happened right now, what you sign, what you sign in your MetaMask, and what's going on now on the platform. So let me log into the MetaMask and then log into the platform. Okay. So first of all, like you can see, you can small button. Maybe it's not obvious. Maybe we gonna add something extra here to see that button. But here I have a button like what calls connect. And first of all, if you are logging to the MetaMask, first step is marked as done. So second step is sign one-time password. I think you can't see my MetaMask right now because
No, we
it's a
don't.
separate window.
Yeah, it is.
It's separate window, but I just like usually like you are our user, or even if you use this first time, the small window next to the my MetaMask icon just pop up, and I have two options like cancel or sign. So okay, this is like a signature request. So I click sign, and for me, for the user, it was fast. Okay, I go back to the login page because I want to talk a little bit about this.
I can show you
Yes,
my
and
screen if you want.
yes, and if I'm a user who already have and done that steps, and it's not my first login, the second step is just like a mark it as done, and I go straight to the authorization and log into the page. So for the users who log in first time, you have two signs or three signs. Yeah, I can say three signs. Like one side is to the one side is for the one-time password. Second side is the generate application keys, and you don't need to do the second time or more times when you log in to the platform. So you need to do this one more time, or with your new account when you want to log in. And third step is authorization. So for now, for me as a user who log in a few times or more than one, I go from the one-time password sign straight to the authorization, wait like 1 second to communicate between the login and platform and go straight to the platform. As you can see, these small like a corners go to the fully up, and then you go to the platform. So one more time, I click connect. The pop up. I think for not now. I need to refresh this. Let me refresh that signed, and then log in one more time.
So guys, as you can see, it is really more convenient because many of you ask what actually happened. Why you have to sign the keys and everything like that? Because you misunderstood that maybe this is your seed phrase or seed keys that you have on your wallet, and you were afraid of using that. Right now, everything shows on the screen. So like Citral said, it's really, my opinion, it's a really good work because it shows you step by step what's happening on your wallet, what kind of interaction you have. We have nothing really to hide. We have nothing unauthorized access to your funds on anything. You just need to sign your keys and confirm your identity with your wallet on the platform. This is all we need to do this. Of course, the keys that you're signing it are not actual the seed phrase keys or to access your funds. Those are keys to give you the proper anonymity on the platform, and this is what the bigshortbets is about.
Yes, that's true. As you can see, I still have waiting for the data. I don't know why why I need to wait so long. But as I can say, like I don't
This
know
is
for
the price for
few days.
safety, I guess.
Price for
Maybe it's
safety?
because they're playing something on production or something like that. But you can see.
No. Like
But if
maybe
you
this
if
is
it's on
straight
Tor
between
network,
connection. Yeah. This is on Tor network. It's not a public version. So as you know, Tor network is not that fast as a public network, but it comes with the safety. So okay, maybe we can
Exactly.
sometimes
Told you.
you need to wait maybe some longer, but just
But it's
mention
worth
I just
it,
mentioned it.
obviously.
maybe there
It's
might be
worth
also
it.
there might be congestion on the nodes actually that operates within the platform. This is maybe because as you know, Tor network operates somehow on the nodes, and if there is a lot of movement from one place, there might be congestion on the nodes, and the actual information is getting slower to the end user. But
Probably.
yeah, it's just for just a second. So
Yeah. Now everything is done. Data just load up, so we can talk about the filters. And as we said in previous, when you show you the mockups, we add the filters on our main view, which calls baits, users, and hashtags. So let's go to baits, and in that filter, as I showed you, you can filter your users to search the information straight from the user with separate ranks. So I can go from the straight to the trusted users, and now data with only trusted users, as you can see, will filter will show me. Of course, I can cancel. I can reset that filter, so my baits go straight to that. My basic view, my basic informations. I don't need to like click something else or something extra. So it's work really good. I can mark like 2 or 3 or everything as a user. So obviously it's not make sense, but but maybe somebody wants to click this is as it's available too. So I can mark like 2 users with that ranks, and the baits with only with that ranks, and with users who have that rank will appear here. As we said, for now we add only our main languages as English and Polish. So for now it's gonna stay with us. If we have like bigger group with users who want to, I don't know, use like a Spanish or something like this, just let us know in the Twitter. It's not a problem to add something extra in that filters section. So if you have like your separate filter, can tell something like this, we can add this here, and you can filter your information by clicking as a separate language. And of course, sorting what was in our old view, like default sorting is by the scoring. Our scoring mechanism is explained in our white paper, so it's not like like on Facebook or something like this. It's not like a newest information. Maybe it's something like Facebook, like on Facebook, but maybe suggested engine, something like this. But suggested engine works more like what you prefer, or what you want to see, or what that engine thinks about what you need to see right now. But scoring works like works like this. If you have more reputation, if you post more baits or something like this, you can be sure like your base will be one of the first, or when you sort your view by default. If you go for the newest first, oldest first, so as it calls, like newest base show first, or oldest show first. uh, let's go to the another section. You can go to the users. Okay, let me reset that filter.
Mhm.
Okay, save. Okay, let's go to the other section. It's called users. And if you want to search for some users or something like this, you need to add in the
Okay.
browser, and I don't know, like type like my nickname was,
But
it
is
goes
it
to
gonna
12.
show just the user, or the user baits, comments, everything related to that person?
Now it calls only user. Okay, you can
Okay.
go like straight to his view, like
Mhm.
for user view, and then you have a list of base
Okay.
on
Okay.
his profile view.
So just
So
another step,
so
sure.
yeah, but I really don't know why the Tor works so slow today.
So slow, yeah.
So slow. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. And as you can see, like obviously it's me, so I can go straight to my view, and then I see my baits and everything like this. But as you can see, like Tor is really slow. Yeah, this is one of my first one of my first baits, and have really good score.
Yeah, this is like
Okay.
the most famous bait on the platform, I think.
Was like, I think the best one, maybe not now, but we can go to the rankings. Was something like Rafa is not afraid of trading 21 is 155 reaction. Meme, it's mine, so it's 95, so I have fifth place. And first is wave short, use the end depex new opportunity. So this is the biggest score bait by the reactions. Okay, let's back to the filters. So as you see, I can filter the users, or I can just search the users like a test, something like this. Yeah, like you see, it's appear everything with the word test. So
Mhm.
if you want to search any users who only like a part of their nickname or something like this, you
Mhm.
can like add his here, and you can search that users here. And okay, and of course, you
That's
straight you
cool.
can go to
Mhm.
follow him, and go to his view,
Mhm.
and try to stalking what he posting or
Sure.
what he baiting.
It's good that
Um,
even if someone is called Mag Test, it's gonna find it, not just someone that has a title test in the beginning, but also in the middle or on the last
yes,
phrase.
true.
So that's cool.
And as you can see, you can filter that view by the honorable by the ranks,
Mhm.
and if even if you like you want to share, I don't know what can be, maybe a raffle or something like this. Yeah, I think we can have a lot of raffles,
Oh my
but
god, that's yeah.
yeah, but okay, but with the same rank. Oh, yeah, okay, I have fishy rank, so I can go straight to the fishy, and only that one users can be here with that rank. So as you can see, it works. It works really well. So uh, just use it. And
Mhm.
as the users, as you can search for the users, you can do the same with the hashtag. So you add the hashtag, and then type a word, and you have whole hashtags
Mhm.
with that word. We're gonna add extra sorting here by the number of baits with that hashtag, because as you can see, for now.
It's
It's
random,
not
yeah.
it's not like from the highest or
Okay,
for the biggest number to the lowest, but we're gonna add this in the future release. um,
cool.
so as you can see, like new browser, new filter mechanism, new maybe not sorting, but new filters works,
Mhm.
and is already live on the platform. Release was today, so if you not test it, if you not check it, just check it now,
Yes, do
and
it,
it's for
and
you guys.
and remember to claim your tokens because the time is running.
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly.
And yeah, you're gonna find a really great use of it in the future. So it's worth keeping them if you can claim them. Just you're gonna use them in the future. You'll see.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so for my side, I think it's about the technical
Mhm.
ways or what we release it, and what I prepare for today is it. So maybe we can go to the questions if you have anything.
Of
Maybe
course.
somebody asked
So, guys, if you
some
have
questions.
any kind of questions related to today's live stream, we're gonna try to answer. There is one question though, but you gotta look it up, Citro, because I know that not all of them might be so easy and fast forward.
I know, and Citra explained it everything pretty well. So I think there might be no limited questions or no questions at all. But
Hmm.
let's see. I really like the filter action. It's something that our community requested some time ago because you can filter and you can adjust the information, find through the everything, every information on the platform. Most of them are valuable, but sometimes you need to
It's easier to find
somehow
them, yeah.
search to the most valuable one. So this is much more easier. And of course, if you want to see some of the posts that the profiles that you really think are interested in, this is a tool for you. And this is also another step, to somehow adjust and everything, and deliver for you guys the tools that you might need while searching through the Big Shortbets platform. Because like we mentioned before, not everything was delivered at the first place, and we have a long of list of the upgrades and updates that we can implement on the Big
Hmm.
Shortbets platform. And this is what we're doing step by step. We're getting better. If you compare the platform from 1 year ago, what it is now, I think it's a huge step for us, a huge step forward for the development of the perfect platform for the traders and speculators, um, integration
Yes.
and
Uh,
connection.
uh, I can mention about small fix. When you go to the rankings, and there's a problem with go straight from the rankings to somebody's profile view or something like this, or to debate. So it's fixed that right now you can go straight to somebody's profile. Like I can go for Morgar 4D,
Okay.
profile, Bartek profile is fixed. It was a small fix, but some users mentioned about this, so it's fixed right now.
Nice. Yeah, compared to what it was 1 year ago, and compared to like how people are waiting for so many updates, I think this is going nice and steady, and the nice and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. This is the most important thing, that it's better to have something solid than to rush it, and because there were some projects like go down. And it dropped
There
from
is
there.
one question. What is this NFT that we have outlawed Biggest B? Those who know. If you don't know, maybe you shouldn't. But you can always try to trace it on the Etherscan. Nothing is really hidden. You don't need to have any passwords for anything. So if you can track everything on the platform and see what it is, then maybe you are right.
Kto wie, ten wie.
But
How many?
sorry, but like you can't really ask about questions about the NFTs because I mean you can ask questions, but I really Rafał told me that I can't answer them. You have to seek information from yourself, search for yourself. There's none. There will be no information on social media, no posts,
Well,
no
this
anything.
is very
More secure
curious,
than
'cause-
that, or yeah, it's more secure information than a Tor, something like that.
This is a very curious thing, because knowing what is the Rafał's attitude to NFTs, that's gonna be very interesting, because he always said that NFTs are undervalued. I mean, there were NFTs that were overvalued, of course, and then dropped down. But what he meant, they are undervalued in case of usability. So I'm very curious about this one.
Yeah, like I think the most like the biggest problem with the NFT is usability. Like if you can
Exactly.
use this, it's can be worth a lot. So I think that's
It's not
the main
typical
view.
NFT.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah, 'cause-
typical NFT actually. It's more like a
Yeah.
membership card to like elite
Oh,
club,
like a golden elite VIP card to Złote 44.
Golden ticket from Willy Wonka.
No, I'm just kidding. There's like a circus organized in Warsaw, and the NFTs you can access this circus and participate in it. They're actually gonna put, if you have the NFT, they're gonna put you in a cage instead of the lion, and you're just gonna do the tricks and so on. So it's really interesting. I think if you are interested, you should definitely buy it if you know how, because there's no information on social media.
You need to tell this one more time, but with the bigshortbets mask. it will be funnier,
Yeah. Yeah. Give us the anchor.
The answer.
Exactly.
Free drinks
So
for
is there any
lifetime
more
NFT.
questions regarding?
I'm
Might be.
Might be, yeah. I'm not sure there are gonna be any more questions, because we understand this is the middle of the summer, and there is not much you might ask for, but you gotta trust the process that the team, even though it's middle of summer and it's hot outside, like 40 degrees Celsius, the team is here working their butts off. Bartek, the devs manager, was supposed to be here today, but he is busy with stuff. And trust me, the
But I
stuff
think
is
we have a
interesting.
question about safety of the public version on Twitter. Maybe you can explain it a bit here. Okay, so I can explain this like public version and the Tor version is separate applications. So like we said before, we don't gonna add every functionality, every feature on the public version. So if you have a paid bait or something like this, maybe if users want to, we're gonna add to the public. But even if you know a programming or something like this, you can try it. But you can't track or you can't find our backend. Like our data center, our place when we store everything. So it's worse like with the gates. Everything from like come from Tor to the public. So it's secure. So I can say like this. It's not like we go like you can have one place and from the one place you can straight to the public and to the Tor. So it's like more from the Tor to that place. I can say like this.
Okay.
All right,
Sounds
great.
legit, yeah.
Is answered that? Maybe he's sleeping because he's sleeping and he's gonna wake up when the project is gonna be overpriced and it's gonna be a lot of scam in the crypto space and you're gonna need someone to do a proper research. He's gonna come back from the dead.
Maybe with a Solana thing or something like this.
Oh yeah, right. He's just sleeping because it's summertime, vacation time, and we understand that there will be a lot of going on in the fall time. But meanwhile, the team is working a lot. So as you can see, another DEVS Holdlers meeting and another very big update on the usability of the platform, as you saw from the login page to the filters. And yeah, there is a lot of to come because you can read more about it on the bigshortbets.com website. There is a huge timeline. We covered it a few weeks ago. You can go back to the live streams and check it out, or just go to the website and check it out yourself. You can go also over to the white paper, read it yourself, test it yourself. It's free. You can download it on your the app on your Android phone. You can go through ClearNet. You can go through Tornet. So there is a lot of ways to join the platform, to be up to date with all the informations you might need and you might want to know to get your marketing on the stocks, on the crypto or whatever, to the higher higher ends. So yeah, other than that, we're gonna see
everything. Just quick mention, guys, because I don't know if you said about it. Those changes that you see right now that we show you today, correct me if I'm wrong, Citra, but they are straight away available for you. They're already released on the production. So if you log on the platform right now, you're gonna see all the changes.
They're out there already. Yes.
Yourself. Give us a feedback. Yeah, give us a feedback on our Telegram or anywhere you want. How do you like it? Because your feedback is really important to us.
Yes.
Sorry for interrupting. I can continue.
No, everything is good. You got all the links you need on the platform, on the whatever. I mean, it's so easy to find. Go to Telegram. We get a huge growing community. There are 2 Telegram channels, one in Polish, one in English. So if you have some questions other than on the live streams, there is the place for you to go. There is a big helpful community helping each other, going with the news and the heads up. So yeah, other than that, we see you next week, and get ready for another week of the DEVS Hodlers meeting. If you have some questions, we're gonna try to answer them next week. Other than that, yeah, go to the platform and just have fun, guys. I mean, this is for you. Enjoy it.
Dig it. Just dig it. Dig your information. Search for it. Search for the sources.
Be data driven.
Use it on the markets for your advantage.
Yeah.
Do it.
Do it.
Do
exactly.
it.
Do it. Thank
Start today. No tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow. Start today. Do it.
Claim your tokens.
Like the book.
Claim your tokens. Do it. Claim it. Claim it till the end of the August, because it's the final date for it. It's the end of August. Do it.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes, sir. Thank
you
you so
don't
much.
have to text me. What can I do? I didn't claim my token. Don't.
Yeah, don't be late. Don't be a loser. Just do it.
Don't be late. Just do it. Just do it like Nike. Just do it.
Thank you so much. We see you next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Do it. Bye. Do it.